Hello, and welcome to the Principles of Programming channel, a series. In this video, we'll be covering Chapter 8 Lab in Java. But before we get started, as always, go ahead and smash that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. If you're not able to leave a like or a comment, means you're not logged in, so please take the time to log in. And if you haven't not yet created a YouTube channel, go ahead and take about 1 minute to create your free YouTube channel. Alright? So this video specifically, we're going to be talking about Chapter 8 Java Lab 8.8-3, which is using multidimensional arrays. So when you look at our tasks, in this lab, you will complete a Java program that uses a two-dimensional array to store the data for the building block daycare. The daycare center charges varying weekly rates depending on the age of the child and the number of days per week and child attends. The program should allow the user to enter the age of the child and the number of days per week. The child will be at the daycare center. The program should output the appropriate weekly rate. The file provided for this lab contains all the necessary variable declarations except the two-dimensional array. You need to write the input statements and the code that initializes the two-dimensional array, determine the weekly rate, and print the weekly rate. Comments in the code tell you where to write your statement. Weekly rates can be found in the provided table. So here it is. This is what we use to find our array, our two-dimensional array. So task 1, initialize the two-dimensional array and write the Java statement that retrieve the age of the child and the number of days the child will be at the daycare center. Determine and print the weekly rate. So here's what we'll do. Enter the child. Or 99 to quit, so we'll go to enter number days 3 and with the charge should print out $67. Alright, so let's go here first. Let's move this over. Read that chart so you can see what numbers we're putting in. Let's make size for this. Let's look at our code. So declare a two-dimensional array here. We'll start there and get that done. So let's go. So let's call it a double weekly rate. Because it has decimals. And it's an array, so it's a box inside. Two-dimensional, so there's 2 boxes. And it equals, and then we'll input these numbers in outer bracket. First 30.00. Actually, 2 outer bracket, 2 brackets. So, each bracket I can at the line. Let's go 60.00, comma 88.00, comma 115.00, comma and 140.00, comma. So this bracket ends. And let's go on here. So everything, this bracket is going to be the whole array itself, and then this inner bracket is going to be one line. So you got to put a comma on this bracket. Separate lines. So here's the next line that we're going to put our two-dimensional array in. 46.0, comma 52.0. are dollar signs, or these are prices, but we're going to put the, like we always do, the dollar sign on one line, so you put it all in these numbers. Alright, so let's close this one. This line's closed. Should add another one. I didn't add that for me, so let's close that. And do our comma. Let's go to our next line. Close. Bracket. And we have 24, 46, 67, 89, and 110. Let's go outside here and do our comma. Enter. We have 22, comma, 40, comma, 60, comma, 75, comma, 88, and bracket. 2, 3, 4, 5, and down. 20, 0, 25, let's put it in. Here we're going to use our semicolon to finish the array. Alright. Take a quick break and look at that. Alright, we'll go back to, let's go down to declare the variables. Everything looks like it's declared. Variables. Let's go down again. So this is the work done in the get ready method. So let's go H string. Right, this is the work done in the get ready method. Let's go here. H string equals J option P. Input dialog. So here, it's down to the next line. That. To the next line. All the way down there. Let's go back up here. Okay. Right, here we go. Let's get inside this. Enter the age of the child. Child, 499 quid. Colon, space, and let's go like this. Perform a priming read to get the age of the child. So let's go with age equals integer. Parse it. Age. There's our while age. Summation equals quit. So now this is the work done in the determined rate charge methods. So let's go. What is that? Num day string. Equals and show the out. Yeah, let's do like a before. Start here. Bring that down to the next line. Like that. Here. Back in front of the eye. There you go. Okay. And enter number of days. Actually, that's too much. Enter number of days. We'll move this comment to make it make more sense. So let's do this. Let's put these up. Control X. Let's see here. Top. There we go. So you did both in one line. Or several lines. But let's just keep on with our code. If age is greater than that's all right. Let's see, this is the next one. Let's go with num days equals integer first integer num days string. Alright. So let's go ahead and semicolon there. And now let's do our if age is greater than or equal to 4. And age is equal to 4. So the 4 older, you get a 4 age. 4-year-old price. The price of a 4-year-old. Alright. Next, let's see. Print the weekly rate. Let's go bring this up. Skip it in. Print the weekly weight. That's not gonna do it. That's taking a good look at it. Let's see if I'm gonna continue on that route. Alright, check this out. We'll be right back. Alright, let's get this back over here. That's over there. So let's get this here. And then let's do our system print line. And let's go weekly. We charge this. And here's that dollar symbol that we have to put a dollar symbol in each of those elements in an array. And where's my hooks? About that. Blockbuster array H, and then two-dimensional array. Next is going to be the number of days minus one, and semicolon outline. So that'll put it out. Let's go down to 9. Let's do H string. Equals to pane. Show input dialog. Here, and we'll enter the age of the child. Quit. And then let's do age equals. Adopt this comment. Working without even. So this comes here. That's the user. Did. Now we have one more thing to do on this one. And this is just age equal integer. Parse integer. Int is, and then age. And of course we have our semicolon. Let's get this up here. Just mess it in. And everything else looks like it's in. Still click over. Here's our two-dimensional array. Everything looks good there. Comma separating number, comma separating line, and you got a double brackets getting it in. What's going on here? Yeah, that's correct. It's comma there. There we go. All right. Next. Work done. The get ready method. All right. Looks like we're ready to run this, baby. Let's do a quick run. Let's have it calculating while it's trying to finish running. Let's bring up our output. Got some bad news there, so something's off. So variable input, location class object for pane. More, that's all it's going to give me. So let's look at those. Two errors. These two off. Alright, I put these on the same line. Just wanted to, they will fit, so I just put it on the same line. I guess the spaces I put in between them may have caused an issue. So let's try that again. So still, looks like I got two errors. H string. That's the H string. Let's see if I can find that. Still debugging. went back through and did it again, and I did it the same way they required. If age equals, did that. Still didn't notice anything different. If you did, great. You can leave it in the comments. But this one, let me try to run it first before I say that it's good. So run it and calculate the grade at the same time. And see, it didn't give us anything to spit out or give us any input. But let's see what it does over here. Grade calculated. Find out what it gives us. Alright, that's still calculating and calculating and calculating. But the errors went away, there's no errors. And we will run this in Visual Studio to see if we can get it output. So 2, 3, 7 hours. Alright, still wait for this thing to calculate. Let's go to, still give it a 0. So yeah, this is one that let's go straight to Visual. Just copy and paste and put this in Visual Studio and then we'll run it. So we'll get down here for our output. Okay, enter the age of student. It's 2. Enter day of the week, 3. Okay. Weekly charge is $67. So this is right. Same code, copy and paste. I'm going to copy and paste this again into copy and paste this code in, run it again. Sometimes you leave out something and you don't really know about it. See no chance for output, and we'll calculate it again. So see this one, you're going to get a 0 on. And if you do the correct code, but I'm going to leave you with the code so you can see it while it calculates. Of course, this is our top part. Two-dimensional array. And here's the rest. This is the work done. Get ready method. You can put these on one line if you like. Go away. This, that, and this. But we didn't do that in the Visual Studio, and it was fine. So let's go back. It's like still got a 0. But we said in Visual Studio we have a good program. And you see it go over there. Good. That's the bottom part of the code. So Java 8-3 will run in GitHub. As long as you're not showing any errors, you'll still get, as always, full credit for the lab. Hopefully, usually what they'll do over the course of time from complaints and they'll go through and they'll correct those. The last simulation we used was last summer. Did we think I'm thinking of programming class summer or fall. But it was just built into the Mind tab, and by the time we used it for the last time, I don't remember if there were any issues with it. So this being the first time that I've used the GitHub, and it's fairly new with the book, the new book, and everything. So we do expect little errors here and there, but hopefully it'll get better over time. All right. So there's the code, and one last time I'll show you the array. Or the two-dimensional array. Alright, so thanks for watching the video. Please like, leave leave a comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and have a wonderful day.